Are you the kind of person that has a lot of interests but aren't quite sure which degree program is right for you? Or have you already decided but want to see what other possibilities are out there? Then come and take the point test. Check out how simple it is. On the following pages, you will be presented with a series of 25 basic questions about your personal interests. For each question, rate your level of interest on a scale from 1 to 10. To get the most helpful results, we recommend that you really consider what you'd like to spend your time doing every day. Not only during your studies, but later in your career as well. As soon as you submit your answers, you'll receive a ranked list of the degree programs that we think might be of interest to you. The higher a program is on the list, the better the fit. Let the top 10 inspire you. Some may come as a surprise, but why not check them out? For more information on a program's content, requirements, and contact address, just click on the one you're interested in. Curious about what your test will reveal? Great! Let's get started.